I know Kelly Ortberg has only been on the job now for, 5 or 6 months here. But are you surprised here by the miss that we're going to see based on these preliminary results?
Well, I mean, first, I think that we all expected 4Q to be an ugly quarter anyways. And really what this smacks of is Boeing took a lot of charges on all their programs. This feels like another kitchen sink quarter where they just level the playing field and get ready to try to recover in 2025. So a lot of charges against all the programs really push them to a big loss.
George, how many more of these kitchen sink quarters do you think we'll be getting from Boeing?
Well, I mean, the most important thing I saw here was a cash burn, and I'm just remembering, I think it was roughly $3.5 billion. That's what matters the most, right? Because in this business, when you decide you've got like a loss-making program, you take losses you expect in the future and you bring them back to present day. And that's why they look so big when you take them. But that $3.5 billion cash burn, to me, Boeing's got plenty of cash on the balance sheet to manage that. We can't be doing that throughout 2025. But the cash burn, right now doesn't put them at risk of needing to raise more capital or, I think, lose their credit rating. And that's probably the most important thing.
In their statement here, they talk about some of those challenges, George, but more importantly, they talk about the steps that they're trying to take to stabilize the business. Now, they don't go into a lot of detail. Do you think we're going to get that detail when they report earnings and have that conference call next week?
Probably. I mean, it may be part of what the strategy is here, is to get the charges out of the way today, have everybody focus on that for a couple days, and then the call, perhaps they can have a sort of more positive stance as they talk about what they're going to do in 2025. I still don't expect a lot of guidance out of them, but I'd expect them to be starting to make positive noises about what's going to happen during the year.